By the time you retire, I'm very sure you should have 1.2 million profit in your bank account. It takes me around 3 years to make my first $1 million. Property market is an imperfect market. So you need a perfect knowledge to be able to take advantage of this imperfect market. Now you can try to ask many agents. I'm very sure that almost 90% of the agents only know how to sell, buy and rent because they are not trained. My strength is to help my client to find value properties at discounted price. Now, what is value properties? Value properties are within very short distance to the MRT station. Many good schools surround your properties. It is very near to amenities. Hopefully, their offices surround you. Their hospitals surround you, so that you will have a lot of tenants willing to want to rent your properties. Let me give you one simple example of this condominium called Poland and Blue, a property they are marketing. It is located at District 10, Cold Central area, but it is selling at RCR price at 1,812 per square foot, TOP in 2017. Bank indicative is 1.62 million to 1.7 million. Due to certain reason, my seller want to sell it at 1.58 million. It is very obvious. It is at discounted price. Sell at RCR price below bank indicative price. If we know how to leverage on other people's money, which is the bank's money, we will be able to get the maximum returns. The younger you are, the better you are. Because the law states that you can borrow up to 30 years all the way to when you reach 65 years old. So my strategy is just a very simple strategy. If they stay in the BTO flat, I will ask them to sell away their HDB flat to cash out the $200,000. Then use this profit to buy a new launch and hold it for another 4 or 5 years to sell it to make another 150 to 200,000. Then we will sell it again and buy another new launch. So in every 4 to 5 years, we will sell our condo and we'll buy a new launch. Sell our condo and buy a new launch. So you just need to go through this for 5 to 6 rounds. You should be able to make your 1.2 million profit. However, I need to stress that not all new launches will be able to make super normal profits. You have to make sure that it is a value properties. But in order to make more profit, you have to buy it at a discounted price. I have a series of calculators to help me to check whether is it favorable to buy at this price. Every investment, there are many risks. What we need to do is to try to reduce the risk so that we will be able to let the market forces to determine the profit that we are getting. Calculators such as projected selling price calculator, new launch calculators, resale price calculators, future price calculators, on-block price calculators, etc. I also work with 12 banks in Singapore. In every one time, I will have the best rate, best package of the interest rate, so that I'm able to help my clients to save 5 figures in terms of interest for 2 years. This is how I can value add for my customer.